All right, boys and girls. So today we're practicing our plus twos. So if I look at the number line and I have a number and then I have to hop 1, 2. So instead of being like, if this is 8, instead of it being the next number, like on plus ones, we take 2 hops. So we know this first part's pretty easy. It's going to start with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's a 10 friend. 11, 12, 13, and we stop on 14. So now that you have all of these answers, you can look down below and find what the answers are. So 1 plus 1 1 plus 2, if I looked up here, the answer is 3. 8 plus 2 we know is a 10 friend. 3 plus 2, that answer is right here. 5. 5 plus 2, you can either look up here or do 5 and then 2 more, 6, 7. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 plus 2 is 4. We know that one. And this one is 2. So I want you to finish this side on your own and then into the basket and start dream backs. The back side and do your number line. And then when you're all finished, turn it.